Alright, so we're working on the 1979 Plymouth Volare Custom. And I've been tearing down the engine on the stand. This is where I'm going to leave it like this. I got the intake and the exhaust off. It's over there. Got a lot of, yeah, that's the bad news. That's part of your exhaust manifold. Has a slight crack in it, I guess you could say. And that had a hole in it, that piece. But I'm trying to make it look new again. Got some of the stuff cleaned, painted up nice. Quite a few pieces like that. Over here. I think we're going to take them top hoses off before the engine goes back in. Oh, yeah, the transmission. I did to get the pan off today. And get a light. Unfortunately, it looks like we got some metal in there, and I'm not sure what that is, but the bad part is the metal. I don't really see much around the magnet, so not sure what that is. But what that tells me is the transmission isn't good. And if you're going to put a new engine in, you need a new transmission. Oh, because what it looks like is going on, the metal is getting sucked. Well, the pieces of metal that fall off the transmission are falling into the pan in the bottom, and they're getting sucked up through the filter back into the transmission. Which, if there's a small amount of metal down here in the pan, there's probably a bunch more of it all over inside the transmission. Not good news, but this is what you need to know when you're doing a project like this. I have been able to just do the engine or the transmission at times through proper diagnosis. It all depends on what's necessary, but the basic rule of thumb is you do them both together. Your engine and your transmission are basically considered the powertrain and should be replaced as one package. The car's got about 80,000. I don't know if that's been turned over or not. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.